Hey everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook ad template using Uphex. Uphex is the platform that integrates into Go High Level. The main benefit of using Uphex is that you can create a library of pre-built Facebook ads, and you can even launch those ads without going into Facebook or dealing with the ads manager. Even if I created an ad from scratch, I believe it's easier making a template and launching it through Go High Level. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating a beautiful lead generating ad on the fly. Let's pick a random niche that I have no experience with. How about a car detailing service? Since my whole agency is based off of artificial intelligence, we're going to use ChatGPT to help us out. All right, we're at chat.openai.com. If you don't have OpenAI account, I recommend you get one. It's about $20 a month. I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make me an ad image for a car detailing service. Can you create me ad? All right, I'm just going to see what happens. I'm asking ChatGPT to make me an ad creative for a car detailing service. And I'm also suggesting that it create an offer $100 off. So this is actually a really nice image. ChatGPT sometimes has an issue with spelling things correctly. So we're still going to download this image and we'll take it to Canva and see if we can edit the text because I really like the photo. I took the image, I put it into Canva, and let's see if we can grab the text and edit it. But once you place it here, we'll go to edit photo and then click on this grab text option. This section I'm just going to delete. I go back and grab text again. All right, so I'm gonna just add the H there. And then this says $100 percent off. So we'll try to change that as well. See if we can move this to the middle. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna download this image and see if I can upload it into my Uphex template that I'm making. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT, try to make an ad copy using this image. All right, we're back in ChatGPT, so I'm just gonna say, can you please make me an ad copy and reference the previous image? All right. So this is pretty good. We'll just change the name of the company here so we can swap out different clients if this is your niche, but the rest of it's pretty good. This is Upex. So this is where we're gonna put the ad together. So I went to my categories. I just created a new category for car detailing. I added a car icon and I'm saving the category. Now I'm gonna go to my templates, doing a Facebook template. All right, we'll do a $100 off car detailing. Leave it at one ad set with multiple ads. And keep automatic placements, keep all that the same. We're going to go to add text. I have it saved here. Copy and paste. So I just replaced the business name with this business.name with a double curly brackets that will make it a custom value where you can just plug in the business name when you're launching the ad. All right, let's just create a headline. Let's say car detailing, or let's just say this month. Link description. Learn more. All right, now we're going to pick the image that we just created. See here. And you could add up to 4 images. I like to use a lead form. So we'll just do first name, last name. And you can just leave this. You don't need any behaviors or anything. That just limits the amount of people that your ad will be shown to, and you won't get as many leads. Facebook will be able to read the ad copy and interpret the image and find people that are interested in that service. Then you just save template. So now if you start getting car detailer clients, they can just select this ad and launch it into Facebook, and then they'll start getting leads. So it's super easy, super simple. There you have it. We made a very well done ad template in a matter of 10 minutes. Once you actually test it and see it's getting results, you can use the same template over and over again as you get more clients. And you don't have to worry about the ad not performing because you already know it performs. After you build the template one time, you can launch a full-blown Facebook ad in a matter of seconds. This allows you to scale your agency. So if you have any questions for me, just leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe the video. If you want to use Go High Level or you're interested in using Go High Level, please use my affiliate link in the description. If you sign up using my affiliate link, I'll personally help you starting your agency. Give this a shot. Upex has a free trial. Go High Level has a free trial. Just play with it, learn, and you'll be well on your way to getting real clients who are paying you real money for you to create ads and get them leads. I'll talk to you guys next time.